This is Forma, and Forma is the easiest way to get a simple hosted form online in minutes. So let's start by logging into my account. First of all, you're presented with a list of all of your current forms, and we'll come back to that in just a second. I just want to show you how easy it is to add a new form. So let's start by filling in the title at the top. So we'll call this one Colour Survey, and down the left hand side you'll see we've got a list of elements, and we can either drag them in or just simply click on the item depending on your personal preference. So we'll say ask for some personal information, and we're dragging a single text box, and you'll notice we have the option to add a required field to this one, and we'll do the same for email. And let's add in some options, so we can add in checkboxes for colours, and we'll say red, blue, green. All of this can be dragged and reordered, and we can delete specific fields should we feel the need that we don't need them. So let's delete personal information. We'll add a submit form button, and we can say customize the button text itself. So we'll say submit survey. And down the left hand side you'll see we have form options. Now we can enter in a different email address to send the results to, and a different thank you message. So I'm going to say thanks, have a cookie, and we'll go ahead and save the form. So that's been saved. If we head back to the dashboard, you'll see down the bottom. Now on the right hand side you'll notice there are 5 icons. So we've got view entries, edit form, delete form, share link, and embed form. Let's take a look at the share link first of all. And you'll see that our survey is presented, and this is designed for a quick and nice easy form or survey to share on Facebook or Twitter, and you can quickly fill it out. If we click submit survey, you'll see that the required forms light up. So I'm just going to fill in the form, and we've got red, blue and green. We'll submit the survey. And if we head back to the dashboard, you'll see in our view entry section that entry has gone through, and it will also have sent me a HTML email. And again, that's optional. You can choose to turn those off on a per form basis, or send it to a different email from your usual account email. Now that's great, but what if I wanted to embed that form on a website? Now you can choose to do this manually. If you enter embed after the share link in any of the share links, you will get the embeddable form. Now, we do make it a little bit easier. If you click the embed form link, you can copy and paste the code, and that's just placeable in an HTML page. And we can go ahead and see what that looks like. So if we refresh this page, you'll see our form's being pulled in an unstyled bootstrap form. It works as before, so we can submit survey, and we're getting the required fields need entering. So we'll fill this one as Declan. I like red and okay, so that's gone through. We'll just double check that. And if we click view entries, yep, so we've got Declan as a secondary entry there. And that's just how easy it is to get Forma up and running.